Abadde ko wano leero by the way.
Wanene?
Hada power. Buli lunaku
Ate
ajana.
siyo bwegambo omanyi munnange. Ono Hade mulala tosabuka siyo oyo.
Hi Hade.
Oli Hade Muveeko, she's a real die-hard.
Okay, let me cook rice because. Okay guys, as for me I'm going to prepare rice. Yeah. So someone are preparing a sauce. As for me, I'll prepare. It's sauce. Katine vira mwao. Acha pato sawa zigenda then tumia wacha. No, today I'm hungry.
Eno nawe ine sawa mu lubuto ekyo. Bomuntu ava okulya sawa eno gamo kya mwenjere kulumba.
For sure I'm hungry. Need the magic on the eggs. Plain eggs. How I wish tomorrow you're off.
Pampa Riziki Betty Yuji muno oluzungu lwesonyiwe kuba embugo okuba nnyo. Nakugambye.
No, don't support them because you know my English is good. And guys, I know my English good, so I won't quit English. I'll still speaking English because it's my local language. So I can't quit English right now. If you tell me that I'm gonna quit English, die. With Derick also die. Please leave me in peace.
So, Kagati, the chicken is ready for baking. Not baking, for roasting. Not
Oh my God! This is someone who knows English.
Alright, so here we go.
Okay. No.
Yes.
Oh,
Who is here? Derick, speak English, please. Yes, my friends from wherever you are. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, South Africa, Saudi Arabia.
I want you to speak different languages when you're saying hello. Just say hello in 5 languages. Just say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello in English, in Swahili, in French, in Luganda, in Lusoka.
Come this side. You could use this as well here. Yeah. Okay. Now we can talk to them. Just too long.
Guys. As for now, let me enjoy myself alone. So some questions, please. Oh my God, this looks delicious.
I need a plate for this. Give us some comments.
Behind is washing machine. Yeah, of course. Of course, we do use a machine to wash our clothes. Oh my God. When are you getting married? When are we getting married? So you want us to get married? We will, inshallah. A Muslim says, inshallah, we will get married soon. And when are we getting married?
Abantu bagamba abazima.
I feel like dating someone here. Is it okay? So grab your get See someone? I'm trying to get someone from here, and someone is stopping me. That was doing like this. Why? I also get one. I'm alone. Sorry. I don't have any copy card. Muna, I love you, Nyo. Thank you. I love you. Derick, why? Can I get one, Derick? Of course. You can take. Muna, Derricky, I'm loving it. De Oyaka. Muna, Swahili. Wait, someone is asking me to speak Swahili. Mambo. Hi. Mubloje.
Diako munaye.
Auntie Tanzania. Umululu goina, I don't hope that so.
You speak like a baby. Now we are to cover. Oh please, we are not inviting anyone at the moment. Pretty Hadi, how are you?
Kwa nini unafanya hivyo? Nipe small.
Derick, wewe kuna mtu bambe. Ngeza yako.
If you don't want to share.
Baba Zinish, how are you?
I will share this myself.
Princess Farida, how are you doing? How much is a visa for Dubai? Alright. Atikangende kunsonga ya visa.
I'm here also.
Visa, just Olivia, thank you so much for the roses. Thank you for the gifts. Visit visa. Yeah, 3 months. Ebera 900 dirhams. Jemitwalo chenda eja Uganda. Ngeriko insurance. Muri banje abatero ku join box yang about visa inquiries, ticket. Visa miezi 3 mitwalo chenda za Uganda. 900 dirhams, 3 months visa. Ticket depends on the day you're traveling and the flight you're going to use, because the prices aren't fixed. Yeah, but lunaku lubeera ne prices anjawulo. But at the moment, if you're coming from Uganda to Dubai, range is between 1.4 to 2M. Yeah, zisiba zichoka.